In this video, I will explain you how to create remote work readiness assessment. First, click add-on, Coffee form, and then load form template. You can search remote work and load selected template. After that, you can check the dashboard, responses, question, and settings. After you refresh the page, you can click the Coffee form and then get link, and then click continue and choose your account. Just click advance and then go to Coffee form and click allow. After you get a link like this, you can copy it and paste it into your search engine. So the form is now ready to use. You can also edit your form in your Google spreadsheet like this in the questions type. Like for example, I want to add the new row and just copy it. And I will change the questions, like maybe the different questions. My company has remote work readiness assessment. You should change the options like yes or no, so it will be shown like that. Also, if you want get the description answer, you can change it into text like this. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, and you can also change the background color of your form from gray into yellow like this, so the background color will change into yellow. Thank you.